In this video, we'll go through Google Hangouts. Now, on your home page on the right hand side is the word Hangouts. Sometimes you'll see that you have some information here. Other times it may look just like this where it's just blank. If it's blank, you just click the word Hangouts and it'll pop out a box. If you want to start a new Hangout, you click right there in that top box and you can put in a person's name or even a circle. If you notice there, it pulled up information about people that are in my circles. So I could actually start a Hangout with an entire circle or multiple people if I wish. I'm going to start a Hangout with myself, and it's going to be a little bit blocked because of me being on the same computer. However, I can show you a little bit about the features. If I click on my name, I see at the bottom here's this little conversation icon, and that tells me to do a Hangout. It'll open up this box, which I could text if I wanted to, and I could say something like, let's have a video conference. So it's a little bit of a chat box as much as it is a video hangout method. So it does have some chat features. The options here just tell you whether or not you want to delete, archive, or have notifications. Not a big deal with any of those. Now you can add people to this hangout if you have multiple people from here. So if you do it one at a time, or again you could have just clicked circles. And then your next thing is to actually start a video call if you want to do a video conference. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to be limited, but I can at least show you some of the aspects of it. So I'm going to click to join. See, it's going to be blocked because I can't be open in multiple browsers, but I can at least show you some of the features from the general side of this. Now, I can invite more people if I want once I'm in here. You can see that I've got icons up here about who's speaking, if I need to mute my microphone for some reason, if I need to turn my camera off or on, even adjust how much bandwidth my computer is using. Within the settings, it tells what different things are being used. And I can also exit if I need to. And individuals exit. So that's one thing that is interesting and positive to pay attention to. Now if I click chat, that means on the right hand side here I'm going to be able to chat. And we'll have a chat list as well as whatever audio we're doing. I can share what I'm doing on my screen by doing a screen share. Not very feasible here when I'm using my own computer. If I click capture, what's going to happen here is it's going to allow me to take a screen capture of what's on the screen by just clicking this picture here. And now I have that image that I can use if I want. Okay. So I've got this photo. I can use it if I'd like to in my Google Plus account. Next is I can do some silly effects if I want to people that are in the screen. Again, that's kind of a random thing that isn't necessary. You can introduce YouTube videos if you want to have multiple people watch videos, and you can allow people to take over your computer if you like. Now that is a very important one to pay attention to. I would be very cautious about who I allow to do this. I'd want to trust that person, know them very well. However, if you're struggling with something to do on your own computer, maybe clicking on this remote desktop and having one of your friends help you out could be a very useful way for you to both learn and be able to help one another. So those are some of the basic features you can do in a video conference. Again, you can have multiple people, and what will happen is as each person talks, their image will show up as your primary image. The program will pick up who's the last person to talk, and you can have multiple people talking at once. So it is very neat. It's much more integrative and unique than some of the other programs that are out there.